everyone. So myself, Varun Agarwal. I'm an Agile consultant for last 6 years, helping the teams, helping the organizations into their Agile transformation journey. Here, this is my first session on my channel where I'll be talking Agile. So whatever I have learned, or whatever I have experienced in the last 6 years, I'll be discussing with you guys. Maybe it can help you as a team, as an individual, to understand understand the concept, understand the agile, and maybe you can get a more insight on that thing. So in my upcoming videos, I'll be discussing on agile. So if you see here, this is the agile transformation. That means I'll be discussing everything agile, its frameworks, its practices, everything I'll be discussing here. But since this is the very first session, so I just want to draw an outline how these sessions will be arranged. Now, if we talk about the agile transformation, so any transformation is like a habit building. हमें ना एक नई आदत, हमें ना एक नया बिहेवियर अडॉप्ट करना है, एक नई हैबिट तैयार करनी है. अब बिहेवियर चेंज करना, हैबिट चेंज करनी इज नॉट दैट इजी. इट कैन नॉट बी डन ओवरनाइट. तो इसके लिए वी नीड सर्टेन प्रिपरेशन, सर्टेन माइंडसेट जो कि हमें अचीव करना है, एंड देन वी कैन हैव द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. सो दिस इज नॉट अ इजी, एनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज नॉट इजी. It is a challenge. So we have one thing, challenge. This is a challenge, that any transformation is a challenge, and that transformation will do what? That transformation will change the things. You are having certain things at your place currently, and after that transformation, those things will be changed. There will be a new things, there will be a new workflows, there will be a new practices, there can be a new mindset that you will be having. So there will be a change. Now, transformation is a challenge, but transformation is a change, and change is the only constant. हमें पता है कि ये एक परम सत्य है. Change is the only constant, so change तो हमें करना पड़ेगा. अब ये चैलेंज भी है, बट इस चैलेंज को हम चेंज में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई विल टॉक. सो दैट चैलेंज कैन बी कन्वर्टेड टू चेंज इफ वी टारगेट दिस. अगर मैं इसको टारगेट करके काट दूं, सो दैट चैलेंज बिकम्स चेंज. सो व्हाट आई नीड टू टारगेट इज LLE. These are the three things. This is the core of the challenge. I need to hit the core of the challenge, and I can achieve the change. That is something which I have, I have felt, I have experienced that this LLE is something which can help you to make your team aware about Agile, to make your team, to help your team into their Agile transformation journey. And now this LLE is my approach, which I'll be following in this Agile transformation videos. I'll be speaking in the upcoming videos. What is this LLE which I get from this challenge? This is the approach, the 3-step approach. The first step is lose, second step is love, and third step is educate. Now, transformation is a challenge to achieve some change. We can achieve the change if we target the core of the challenge, that is LLE. This LLE is my approach, that is the lose, love, and educate. So this is the 3-step approach, lose, love, and educate, and after that can help us in achieving the change. Now, what is this lose, love, and educate? So lose is the first step. What happens? कर लो जी, एजाइल ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लो, एजाइल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर लो, नई चीज़ें कर लो, ये प्रैक्टिसेस यूज़ करनी शुरू कर दो, स्टोरीज यूज़ करना शुरू कर दो, स्टोरी पॉइंटिंग एस्टिमेट करना शुरू करना क्यों है? इतने सालों से जब वाटरफॉल मॉडल चल रहा था, तो अब ऐसा क्या हो गया कि हमें ये एजाइल पे जाना है, हमें नई चीज़ें यूज़ करनी है, नया माइंडसेट, एजाइल माइंडसेट लेके आना है. व्हाट आर वी लूजिंग विदाउट एजाइल टुडे? व्हाट हैपन्स, हम ना कई बार चीज़ें पुश करते हैं कि ये चीज़ हमें करनी है, बट वी डोंट नो द रीज़न कि करनी क्यों है. एंड जब तक हमें रीज़न नहीं पता होगा कि करनी क्यों है, दैट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अचीव दैट चेंज. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. आई विल बी टॉकिंग what your team, what you as an individual or as a team you are losing without Agile. So we need that transparency. The second step is love. So after this step, we will be having the understanding what we are losing without Agile. अब हम बात करेंगे how Agile can help in those challenges, in those problems. Maybe कई कुछ चीजें ऐसी भी हो सकती हैं that we are losing but Agile cannot, Agile is not useful there. But there are certain things which we are losing and that can be solved using Agile. So that is something where you will start admiring Agile. ठीक है, theoretically हाँ जी Agile ये solve कर सकता है, that is theoretically. But we have some confidence कि using the Agile mindset, using the Agile way of work, using the certain frameworks and the practices, these things can be solved. Now जब हमें पता चल गया what we are losing, how these can be solved using Agile, then the third step is the educate. That is the implementation part. Yes, Agile can help us, but how it will help us? How the execution, how the implementation will take up, how we will doing the feedback loops, how we will be doing the maturity assessments. So that everything comes into the educate part. So that is the 3-step approach. And we lose, love, educate. What we are losing without Agile, what we are how the Agile can help us. So make team love Agile, and then the educate part, make team educate to implement those practices. So this is the 3-step approach that I will be using from my second video. So we will be talking on the lose, why the Agile is required, क्यों जरूरी है Agile. So from there we will start, we'll go to this, and then we will be talking on the number of things in the upcoming times in the future. So yes guys, I'll take your leave now. Anything if you have in your mind that you want to discuss, you want to have the expert session, you want to understand the concept, you can send me a mail on my email ID, mail to agarwalvarun@gmail.com, and or you can send me a comment, so we can talk on that. So yes, see you soon with my the next video on the loose part. That is the approach that we will follow. So we will be talking about why Agile is required, what we are losing without Agile. Thank you.